Hello, Facebook. Hello, everybody. Jamie here. Happy Monday to you. Hope everybody had an awesome weekend. It was absolutely beautiful, as you can tell from my face. Got a little bit of color yesterday, sitting outside. Yesterday was a nice, relaxing day for us. We sat with friends all morning. We had mimosas. We had some appetizers. Marcus made our shrimp scampi, which was awesome. And we just sat and relaxed and talked business. It was really awesome. And then we had a couple of friends come back to the restaurant, and we hung out back under the tent and just relaxed. Thanks everybody for joining me. I see everybody popping on here. If you are watching me live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I appreciate everybody watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. And I really appreciate that. Let's see. So my weekend was busy. Our weekend here at Aroma Time was really, really busy. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday were 3 really busy days. So thank you everybody for coming out. We really appreciate that. Let's see. What was I going to say? Today is Justin's birthday, so happy birthday to Justin. Last year he did the Facebook Live with me, actually. On his 18th birthday, he made made a drink, probably not his first drink, but made a first drink live on camera with me, and he did the Facebook Live, and it was a really busy Facebook Live. Lots of people were watching. So happy 19th birthday to Justin. He is actually home right now. He is going to the doctor tomorrow, hopefully getting cleared to start pitching again. Those of you that know, he had ACL surgery in January, and so hopefully he'll get released to start pitching again. So fingers crossed, everybody say some prayers tonight for him, but he's been working hard. He looks great, and I don't see any reason why he won't be able to start pitching. So fingers crossed on that one. Let's see, I did a walk yesterday. I did 6 miles. It was so beautiful in the morning. And then just hung out the rest of the day. We were busy here at Aroma Time, so I had to jump in a little bit and help. And that's it. So our $9.99 special for the week is our chicken tikka masala, and I think it's being served with rice, so our brown rice. And that is to go all week. Remember, we are closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays, but it's $9.99 to go the rest of the week. We are probably opening on Wednesday. The streets are supposed to be closed from 4 to 8 p.m. For Cinco de Mayo, so we'll be doing margaritas. I am going to get ready to make a frozen margarita, so we can flavor it with whatever flavoring you'd like, kind of like our daiquiri that we have, our frozen daiquiri. I can flavor it however you'd like. So that will be Wednesday. We will be open from 5 till about 8, so about 3 hours. We will have a very small menu. It'll probably be pizzas and salads and margaritas, not a huge menu. So come join us for Cinco de Mayo. Mother's Day is on Sunday. We've had a lot of calls about brunch. We will not be doing brunch this year. We will be open at 3 o'clock, 3 until close. And I definitely recommend a reservation. Our outside garden will be open. Our inside should be open, and the front road will be closed starting this weekend, Friday night. So Sunday it will be closed, and you can eat outside in the front as well. Let's see, we are changing our $9.99 special to go on Sundays to our shrimp scampi. We will no longer be doing the mussels and shrimp mussel and green curry dish. We will be doing shrimp scampi. We found that has been super popular this week, so we're going to change our Sunday $9.99 special. And we are open tonight. We have our beer dinner tonight. We do have 2 spots available. If you want to come to our beer dinner, it's 4 craft beers and a dish for $29. I want to send love out to Tommy Keegan's family and his girlfriend and his I think he has a son. I think he might have a daughter too. I can't remember. But to his family, unfortunately, Tommy Keegan, I'm sure you probably have heard, died on Friday. We heard it was a heart attack. He was on Lundy Road riding his motorcycle, doing what he loves, but he ended up passing away. So love out there to Tommy Keegan's family and lots of friends. Our heart and our sympathies go out to you. So we are so sorry about that. But stay tuned. We'll be definitely doing some stuff with Keegan Ales, some of their beers that we do have in stock. So, all right, today I am going to make a strawberry pineapple vodka lemonade. So I am going to begin by muddling the strawberries in my glass with a little bit of agave. And I'm just gonna release some of the strawberry. They're a little hard today. Oh, there we go. So I'm just gonna muddle that all together, get a little bit of strawberry juice. If I had a strawberry vodka, I would use strawberry vodka. If I had, strawberry fresh juice, I would use that. So I just muddled some strawberries and some agave. I'm gonna add a little bit of lime for my lemonade part. I'm going to add a splash of pineapple juice as well. So you have a pineapple, strawberry, vodka. And then I'm gonna add, those of you who know, Marcus and I just got back from Long Island on Friday, and we went to visit Long Island Spirits, so LIV. We've been carrying LIV for a very long time, probably since, I think maybe even since they began. This is their new corn, Long Island corn vodka. It's brand new. It's gonna probably become our well vodka. So I am going to add 2 ounces of vodka to my drink. And I'm gonna mix that on up. And I'm gonna add some ice in here and top it off with a little bit of water. Actually, we're gonna top it off with a little soda water. And we're gonna mix that on up. And there you have a pineapple strawberry vodka lemonade. So let's go ahead and taste it, see how it tastes. This might be up Courtney's alley, actually. What a great, nice, refreshing drink. I think something like this should be put on our menu. That is delicious. Absolutely delicious. Cheers. So a pineapple strawberry vodka lemonade. Delicious. When you get down to the bottom, the strawberries are just going to be soaked in vodka, so that's going to be awesome. I'm going to have to get there next time. I'm in with a shot of a fire crotch. Calvin was in the other night. He had a shot of fire crotch. If you haven't had this fire crotch, it's awesome. It is a cinnamon whiskey called Fire Crotch. It is better, from what I understand, than Fireball. Smoother, better. So come on in and taste that. Thanks everybody for watching me. Hello Calvin, hello Ralph, hello Steven, hello Ellen, hello Christopher, Joanne. Lots of great names on here, so thanks. Hello Cheryl, hello Brenda, Judy, Joel. I appreciate it. So again, our $9.99 special this week is our Tiki Masala chicken with rice to go. Tonight is also our wing night, so it's buy one, get one free wings to go. We are open. We have a beer dinner. We got lots going on. Mother's Day, we're open at 3 o'clock. No brunch this year. And it is going to be a busy weekend. Hopefully it gets a little bit warmer and it doesn't rain. So that is it. Have a great day. And I will see everybody hopefully tomorrow. Marcus and I can get in one of our Wine Time Lives. It's been a while. We are really, really sorry that we haven't been on. But hopefully we will get live again tomorrow night. And that is it. Cheers to everybody. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye.